Introducing the Simmons Beautyrest Sky Rise Airbed. This air mattress combines luxury and innovation with exclusive features like the patented pillow top design that has a premium look and feel over traditional air mattresses. Enjoy contouring support and enhanced durability with the unique contour beam construction that will support up to 700 pounds in a queen size. The extra high-profile design elevates the sleep surface to the height of a standard mattress and box spring. This, combined with a no-tip base, makes getting in and out of the mattress quick and easy. The top of the mattress has a soft velveteen non-slip surface that offers a plush feel and helps secure deep pocket sheets to the airbed. The Simmons Beautyrest Sky Rise mattress uses a patented one-touch valve that allows you to adjust the mattress to your unique comfort level with just the push of a button. The valve is 100% leak tested and allows the airbed to be inflated and deflated from the same port. The mattress and pump have a 1-year limited warranty. The Sky Rise mattress includes a powerful multi-use pump that will inflate and deflate the mattress fast and easily. The pump also comes with adapters that will allow you to inflate other items around the home. Storing away the airbed and pump is quick and easy with the convenient storage bag that is included. Enjoy the luxurious comfort and support that only a Simmons Beautyrest can provide.